What's going on, everybody? It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I finally received the hardware from DownStar Inc. This is the hardware I'm going to use to replace some of the rusting bolts I bought from Canards for my GT4 wing. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is an aftermarket wing. This is not an OEM wing. The wing itself is from Composite Concepts from John May out of Florida. I love the wing. I've actually compared this to the 981 GT4 wings, and it is true. It is wider on top, and it does sleek up more on the back here. As you can see, that profile there. And the end plates are much thicker, and they are bigger actually. This is the one my buddy Matt from Porsche Mod Squad was gonna have me use, but because it doesn't fit, because of the shape on the inside, it doesn't line up exactly. Completely different design. Look how much smaller it is compared to the one I have. So I'm better off just leaving this. I have been playing with the crazy idea of going with the swan neck style. That's something I'll think about down the road, but for now, I really love this GT4 wing. Also guys, one of my big projects for next year during the winter time is actually properly mounting this to the hatch. So I'm gonna have Matt from Porsche Mod Squad. He always comes up with the greatest ideas. We're gonna do just like what he did with his. It's gonna go through the hatch, and then from the inside, the factory locations where it has the 3 bolts, it's gonna mount right in there. So I'm gonna have Matt make me another set of wing risers. I will have to cut a slot here where the risers go through the hatch and then mounts from inside, but that'll be next year. I believe the cover plates are like $100 OEM from Porsche, so that'll be something I'll have to order as well. But back to the hardware, I'm gonna replace all the hardwares up here, as well as the hardware up underneath that connect the bracket to the wing. And the last of it will be the hardware that holds the carbon fiber end plates. Let's go ahead and open that box, guys. So here it is from DownStar. All right, let's open this up and see what we ordered. Ooh-wee. Check that out. Here's the nuts and washers. Here's the full burnt look I went with. It matches the titanium extended lugs from Bonoss on my wheels. This is for the base. And I think these are for the winglets. Yeah. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, you guys. Matches perfectly. It's got the gold, or I want to say bronze, or gold, purple and bluish hues. Heck yeah.
I saw we the top 10. UGK the major way, not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Lens on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop. know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top gear. Yeah, it's top 10. Hey, now I'm in blessed mode, did you forget, bro? Put G.O.D. first and nothing less, no. On a radar per release, per request, yo. Life is like a dice game, that's a bet though. Is you bugging, that's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up. See a line of cars meet up. Nah, don't bother us. Windows fogging up. If she in a passenger, then you know she finest. Damn. It's really still a bros and my blood love. All is all love. AWD, I got a newer clutch. And my guapi up, you could call me up. Since you know the face and the name, this is us. We the top 10. UGK the major, way not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10, hey.
Yeah, I heard you knocking, but I am not here. Watch out for the company you keep, cause people mad with. I will pull up on you and address it, I am not scared. We just looking down on these from the top stairs. We been dropping back to back to back, but it don't stop here. People love to tell me their opinion, I do not care. Way that we keep bodying these tracks, man, it is not fit. Way that God keep blessing me, protected by my mom's prayers. In my own bubble like a Montclair. Count the money, making sure it's all there. Designer in my closet and it's all rare. Every year it's all nature boy like
top 10. UGK the major, way not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10, hey.
Damn man. Damn man.
right, guys. Got the DownStar hardware in. Went for a real quick test drive just to make sure everything's nice and secured, but take a look. Love it. So much better than what I had. It actually adds a nice touch to it. See if I can get some close-ups. There's the hardware up underneath. Same here. Love it. So much better than all black. Those are the top ones. And for the end plates. Looks so good. Super impressed with the quality of these. What do you guys think? Definitely a nice upgrade from what I had. So much better. It's like eye candy. All right, that'll do it for this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing some DownStar hardware for your vehicle, I'll leave all the information in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. All it does is help push my video on the algorithm for YouTube. All right, fam, until the next video, guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way, every time I drop my video, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, please post them below. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram at LSTurboInteg. All right, fam, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you then. Peace.